Welcome back everybody into a psychology recap of the month of June. As I anticipated, June was a weird month, and not only economically, because it was the first month that I actually end up in profits. As you can see, very small profits, nothing comparable to the losses that I had the previous ones, but well, May was rough. But I wanted to address my psychology during this month, and something that can be really useful for me. I need to understand for the future. So, as you can see here on the chart on the screen, this was the month of June, and we can see that we can sort of split the month into two big parts. So the first part is like up until the 16th of June, and we can also divide a little bit the first couple of weeks of June and the third one. But this is a main area. This is like the main. This is the first part, and then we have, and we are going to put it like this, a second part. And it's not only about the profits, the overall profits difference, but we can split the first half due to the psychology aspect that was predominant in each and every one. So, in the first part, I was coming from a May backtesting review that, of course, I already posted on YouTube, and I was confident in my setup. Live trading with video, and I was disciplined, fearless, and I was really on point. The second part, which is this one, is still in the first middle of the first half of June. I started having fear of losing profits, still not affecting daily trades. And now, as we are approaching the third part, this started with the public holiday on the 19th, was Juneteenth, and sort of it really affected. I remember that there was this crucial point where I mean it was a public holiday. This day, the Tuesday, really felt like another Monday. Very slow momentum, very slow. I was not really in execution mindset, and I missed so many trades. I mean, all these probably I missed many more trades than I actually put down in words. But yeah, here the fear of losing was really strong. Fear of losing profits was profits, multiple days, no trades. this was really what affected and really affected my end of the month. It's not only about monetary difference, because monetary, I still ended up in profits. The bad thing is that out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trading days, because only this one was a public holiday, I only traded 3 days. So out of 9, I set in front of the chart 8 days, but I didn't take trades on 5 of them. This one I didn't. I took it off, and you can see that also this was hugely reflected in the trades. I'm not saying, and we're going to see it now, but the setups that I took were not bad, but the point is that all the trades that I missed, that I did not take, all the trades that I avoided due to fear, made me these losses stand up like this. If I had like here, something like this, that would have been great. It would have been still a very huge profitable month. But instead, due to the fear, these losses stand out for minus something percent, minus something, minus 1%, minus 2%, minus 1%. So I was all this half of June in a sort of, I want to lose less as possible, and that's not a winning mindset. Here, I want to lose as little as possible of my profits. And you know that this is not possible. It's not a winning mindset. Compared to the first part of the month, where I was confident in saying I am confident my setup. Confident I am. And here is I am confident but scared of sort of slash not being as good as last. Yes, so this is basically my psychology review so far, and now we're going to have a look at the setups that I took, that I didn't take each day, and sort of have a recap of my live trading. And yeah, just because I needed to start July in the best with the best approach. What you see now is basically just an example of the first part of June. As you can see, how many trades can I take during the day, and how often I can take a loss is fine. I mean, breaker retest of this last loss is very high risk, high reward. Here I failed. I don't have to judge any of my trade ideas. I simply have to execute them, and that's the biggest part, I would say. As you can see, take losses, but then I take wins, and it's really the hardest part for me in live trading to translate and transfer these actual setup. That's the biggest part that I will try to accomplish during this month. And yeah, because I know that I can be hugely profitable. I know, because this is the setup. If I review it now and there's no money involved, I know that I can do it. Probably the only thing is that I should risk less, so that I'm able in a day to take like even be able to take 4 or 5 losses, so going down to like 0.5% of a risk instead of risking a full 1% every trade. And in order to be less attached to any loss and also to any win, so that I know I take a win, then I can take another entry, because I can see that the price action is actually working out with my setup, which is only based on the price action, nothing else, as you can see, as you saw in this short video, short clip. That's most important thing that I would like to translate into live trading. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys will be able to follow me on my journey again, and see you next time.